In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily change the TikTok notification sound on your Samsung device. Changing the notification sound can add a touch of personalization and make it easier for you to identify TikTok notifications among other app alerts. To get started, swipe down from the top just like this and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down to the very bottom. Tap Apps. What you want to do next is tap on this button at the top right. And then search for TikTok. Tap on it. After that, tap Notifications. And then scroll down a bit and tap Notification Categories. Now you have the ability to change the notification sound for different notifications. For example, I can tap Direct Messages. Then tap Sound. All you have to do next is scroll down and tap any sound you like. It will play a little preview. You can listen to it and select that, or you can select a different sound. This is exactly how you can change the TikTok notification sound on a Samsung device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.